Hey everyone, it's your girl KturaKay and I'm here with another video. So today I'm actually going to be trying a new brow product and it is by Maybelline New York. So it is called the Tattoo Studio Brow Gel and I'm going to be using this to fill in my brows. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about the product and what it claims to do, and we're going to see if this bad boy is worth the money. And it also claims to be smudge proof as well as waterproof. We're going to put it to the test. So I honestly tried it a couple of days ago because I'm like, it claims to last for days, so like what if I mess up? I'll have to wait a couple of days or try to scrub it off of my face, and I wanted to give you all the best way to put it on, if that makes sense. It's more so like a temporary tattoo type of formula since it is waterproof and since it is smudge proof. So it comes with the brush, but this brush, it just really didn't cut it for me. So I did try it with this brush at first. Y'all, I was looking crazy as I don't know what. So I decided, I was like thinking about it. You know, I went to the gym afterwards looking crazy. And so I was just thinking like, wow, what can I tell them about this product? Or how can I show them how to use this product to make it more efficient? So y'all are gonna see how I apply this efficiently and get this nice brow look. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I can't wait to show you all my tricks and how I use this to make it work best for me. So hopefully you all like the tips that I use, and without further ado, let's get started. This little thingamajigger here is honestly trash. Like, I hate it, in my opinion. I wish it would have come with a brush more so like this with an angle to it so you can easily stroke and fill in your brows, kind of like I do with when I use the NYX gel. You just squirt it out somewhere and then you dip your brush inside. So I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to take the brush out. I'm going to dip my angle brush into this part right here just to get enough product, kind of like you do when you're using like a dip brow or something like that. So I'm gonna put it back in here because it's meant to be used as like a gel where you just go over your brow, and it's supposed to last for like 2 days or so. But like I said, it just, when I tried it, I wasn't gonna try it. I was gonna try it on camera, but I'm like, well, it lasts 2 days. If it doesn't come out right, I'll have to wait 2 days or try to like scrub it off. So I didn't want to do that. So I did a little trial and it was definitely an error. So I corrected that error and I want to do it this way now. So I haven't tried this way. So I wanted to try it on camera because I feel like it's going to work perfect. Just take any spoolie and you brush your natural brows up, of course, in an upward motion. Do both sides. So now I'm going to take the angle brush and I'm going to go in and fill in my brows like I normally would with any other product. And I probably should keep it open, but I just don't want it to dry out. So I'm going to just keep doing this. We can speed it up also. And I'm just brushing it out now just so it won't be any harsh lines sitting there, because you know this stuff is going to dry, kind of like a temporary tattoo. See the difference? So I'm going to do the other side now. So now this one doesn't have any harsh lines, but I can still brush it out a little bit. And we're going to go in and do the same process as we would if you were doing your brows naturally with concealer. I'm going to take my favorite NARS concealer and go in with another flat brush. It's not an angle brush, but it's a flat brush because you could have did it with this brush too. So any brush that's flat, it can give you a nice precise line. That's what you want to use when doing your brows. So I'm taking some concealer and I'm gonna go in and conceal underneath. I don't really conceal the top. When I want a really sharp brow, I do that, but lately I have not been wanting a really sharp brow. Like, that trend is getting really old, but I mean, everybody's different. So I like a more natural look. Like, just embrace your natural brow because, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just looks really nice and natural and full, and that look is always in. So there we have it. So I'm doing a smudge test now because I really want to see, you know, if it's gonna come off or rub off on my fingers. I'm gonna rub this good, boy. Y'all, nothing. And y'all saw where look, this is, I'm gonna just use the pointer finger just so y'all can see. I see a little bit of product on there, a tad bit. It's not a lot, and mainly most of that product is probably my concealer that's kind of rubbing off that I'm rubbing. I'm gonna do it again with my pinky. This time, nothing. It is smudge proof. I did put it to the test the other day when I wore it, see if it was waterproof, and nothing really came off when I washed my face. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all are able to get your hands on this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, and hopefully you all like my tips and are able to use it how I use it and get a better wear out of the product. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!